Okay, so before we get into the trying of the foundation, I went to Ulta and picked it up. Super excited to try it out. This is the foundation from MAC that I usually wear. I just love MAC products. I have to say MAC is like the first like makeup brand I started wearing when my mom finally let me wear makeup at 14. I just remember us like going shopping and like we go into the MAC store and she'd buy me like a couple of lip glosses, which was like everything to me back then. So yeah, so this is the Studio Fix Fluid Foundation. This is my holy grail. This is the only foundation like I use, the only foundation my skin can tolerate. So now time for the unboxing. This is what the foundation looks like. This is the packaging it comes in. Really nice, really sleek. So I got the color NC47. I don't know if you guys can see that, because in the Studio Fix Fluid, I love to use NC46. We are like in October, so like my skin is like lightening up a bit. So I just hope this is a good match. We're gonna see. So here it is. I'm gonna open it up and see what it's giving. I'm super excited to try this. Oh my god. So this foundation actually comes with a pump. Unlike the Studio Fix Fluid, you gotta buy the pump separately, but this one actually comes with the pump in it and it's beautiful. I love the design. So before I try it out, I am going to prep my face. I'm going to use the MAC Studio Radiance primer. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. I don't know why. Just like trying new stuff, I get like a little anxious. So it says to shake well before use. So with this foundation, it gives you a 24-hour hydration. It's serum powered foundation. So it has like a whole bunch of skin benefits, which is like perfect because, you know, if you're gonna, you know, be wearing foundation for a long time, you definitely want like those skin benefits. Always loved MAC foundations because they are like for all skin types, acne prone, oily skin, dry skin. It doesn't clog your pores. That is like a very important thing for me because I do have sensitive skin. I have acne prone skin, so like I have to be super careful what I put on my face. So let me stop rambling and we're gonna try it out. I'm so nervous, oh my god. I'm just gonna put it on my hand. It's a bit watery. The consistency is a bit watery, but we'll see what happens. I'm using the MAC 190 brush, and then I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender just to try it out. Let's see. Oh, okay. Huh. I actually like really like this. It feels really lightweight. It feels really lightweight. Like it looks like skin, just like enhanced, which I really like, especially when you don't want like the full coverage, like glam look. I think this foundation is perfect for that. And it is giving me like a little bit of color, which I needed. So I'm obsessed with that. I'm not going to keep using this brush. I'm more of a beauty blender kind of girl, so I just wanted to show you guys like, you know, how it looks. Wow, it does give like a skin like vibe, which is really cool. Okay, so I just finished doing my full face of makeup and this foundation is so crazy. Like it feels like there's nothing on my face. It looks really good. It looks like skin. Like, oh my god, it's definitely giving skin. It just feels really lightweight on the face. I think it's perfect for like the summertime. I'm so happy that I bought it. Like I really wanted to buy it for like months, and I was like looking at reviews, looking at, you know, people's different opinions on it because I wasn't sure, because there were mixed reviews, but I feel like for my skin type, it's perfect. And it looks really good. Like I can't stop looking at myself. It's like really pretty. I think what's most important to me are the skin benefits. Like, it's super hydrating. There's like a skincare base, so like while you're wearing your makeup, your skin is like, will be in like good condition, will be taken care of because of all of the like benefits that are made in the foundation. It is a serum powered foundation, so you know, you're not neglecting your skincare if you decide to wear this foundation. I also love that like it's non-creasing, non-caking, so like you could go all day and your makeup won't crease or cake. Especially like for me, like some points of my face are oilier than others, so like I'll have some spots that are like really dry and then some that are really oily, and then by the end of the day, like I'm glowing here, but like around here, like it's cracking. And you will not get this with this foundation. I can already tell like it's not gonna do that just based on like how it settles into my face. MAC did their thing with this foundation. Like seriously, they did their thing. This right here is like, I think it's worth it. I think it's definitely worth it. So this foundation retails for $46, and I think it's definitely worth the splurge, to be honest, because it has all these benefits in it, one, and two, your face isn't gonna feel heavy at the end of the day. Like it feels like I have nothing on my face. It feels like I just have my retinoid and my moisturizer on my face. Like it literally feels like I have nothing on, and I think I just love that, because when I do a full beat, I just feel icky because it just feels heavy on my face. But this feels so lightweight. Like I know I keep saying it, that's just how lightweight it feels, and I can't believe it, especially with all of the, you know, skincare additives that are in it. It's so lightweight. They claim that it's transfer resistant. I'm gonna see if it is. We're gonna test to see if it's transfer resistant. So I have my napkin, well, a paper towel right here, so we're gonna see if it is. That's not too bad. Any foundation, you gotta be careful with like not getting it like, you know, on your clothes and on your man's clothes. So I have to say that I really like this foundation. I definitely recommend. I'm so happy that I bought it. I know some people were like kind of iffy about the shade matching, but what I would do is just go by based on your foundation that you wear in MAC. And if you go to the website, it literally has a chart that you could go by. So I know that I'm NC 45 really, but because I do content and stuff, and I have ring lights and I have all these different lights coming everywhere, I have to go a shade darker so I'm not like looking pasty. So I definitely opt for NC 46 in the Studio Fix fluid. So going with that, I looked at the chart on MAC's website and I went to the chart, and it literally said for like NC 45 to NC 46, go with NC 47. And that's what I did. And I think it's a perfect match. It matches my neck. Everything is blended really nicely. It looks really good. So yeah, you guys, I definitely recommend this foundation. It looks so good. I look so good. I feel so good. I'm obsessed with it. I can't wait to add it to my routine. And I definitely recommend this foundation. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you guys, you know, figure out like if you want to get this foundation. I definitely recommend, especially for my girls that still wear MAC. MAC is forever that girl. I don't care what anyone says. Like MAC is that girl. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.